Turn vaults, a fundamental parkour skill that allows you to go to the other side of the obstacle without falling over. Let's break it down. Step number 1, we're going to be focusing on the safety hand. This is the most important thing when it comes to any of the turn vaults or progressions after this, because number 1 rule, you do not let go of this hand, because when this hand is activated and you go around, this hand never lets go. That is basically a turn vault without the jump, but I'm safe because of this hand. You let that go, you're going to be falling into the water or anything else you don't want to be falling in. So, as we do the turn vault, this is your safety hand. It goes upside down, thumbs on top. This is my right hand, so I will be going over my right shoulder. If you're going to go left side, you're going to do left hand, left turn. And so with the right hand here, we're going to be practicing just stepping over, turning your hand around, and then coming onto this side. That is the earliest version of the turn vault you can practice. Step number 2, now we're going to add the jump into it. Since we've got our safety hand nice and ready, our other hand is going to be placed over here. We're going to practice the jump. So jumping up and getting ready to put your foot on the bar and feeling comfortable there. Once you're nice and comfy, you get on top, and this is where you can practice your safety or your step vault, up, round, catching yourself on the other side. I do recommend not having a drop on the other side. I'm doing this for demonstration purposes, for you to practice. Have something so that you're not falling into water or something. So you're able to do it on both sides. From here, step up and turn around. Step number 3, now we're going to try and jump over without touching this with your feet. And so we have our safety hand getting ready to jump over the bar without touching it with your feet. That's the goal. So on this side, with my left hand, jumping over and landing. As you can see, this hand, your safety hand, does not let go of the bar. Step number 4, now that you've practiced jumping over, the final bit we have to practice is with your hips. As you jump over the bar, we need to be able to turn your hips so that you land back in the same position. What we could do is you could hold onto the bar like this. Imagine you've just jumped over and then turn your hips. And so be able to jump and turn your hips in the middle of the air. If I'm going this way, I'm going to jump, turn my hips, jump and turn, and catching myself back this way. And all we're going to do now is practice turning your hips closer and closer until you can catch onto the bar back on this side. And so going this way, putting it all together, safety hand, getting ready to jump over, turn your hips, catch. Jump, turn, catch. That's your turn vault.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this, but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time, or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free, and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard, and play differently. Let's go.